Hello, my Stampin' friends. I am in the middle of cutting paper for Stamp Camp, but I was looking for a die to make a label for a sentiment for a card for Stamp Camp. I was going through my dies and I realized I hadn't opened a couple of my newer ones, and I knew they had labels in them, so I thought, oh, I'm gonna open up and see if there's a label that'll work. And it stopped me in my tracks because these labels are so pretty. I just stopped what I was doing, shoved things aside, and I'm going to show you this suite. It's not out yet, May 5th. It's going to sell fast. It's amazing. And it's a mega suite, which means 2 stamp sets, 2 die sets, embossing folder, and paper. And obviously you can tell it is Winnie the Pooh. Now this is only going to be available in the US right now, I'm sorry to say, due to copyright issues, but it is so cute. And the dies and the labels are amazing. Okay, but if you're not a Pooh fan, stick with me anyway for just a minute, because when I get to the label dies, they're for anyone. So the embossing folder is the 100 Acre Woods, and it's just like a map like you'd see in the when you opened up a book, and it would be in the fly of the jacket, inside jacket cover or something like that. I always loved those. I don't know if you're like me, if you look at books and you look at the inside and see if there's anything like that. That always was my favorite thing. So I love this embossing folder, so wonderful. And then the paper is of course adorable, and it's really special. I'm gonna take it out. I don't think I had it when I did my last video, or if I did, I didn't give this enough look. So you've got these adorable little images of the vintagey Pooh and Tigger and Owl and everybody, Eeyore. Okay, and then on the back, we've got some pretty patterns. Here's the 100 Acre Woods. We've got Pooh climbing a tree, just adorable. On the back of this one is a map. This is my favorite part. Love that. Okay, here's some more characters. Now the thing about these characters on this page is that they work with the dies. So let me show you. So you've got Tigger, he works with the die. Pooh Bear, some of the Pooh Bears do and some of the Pooh Bears don't, so I'm going to show you which ones do. You've got this one where he's walking with Piglet that works with the die. Isn't that cute? And then you've got where he's standing with the jar of honey. This one is Eeyore. Here is Tigger. Now when I was growing up, I had a cat, and my dad gave it to me when I was 7 for my birthday. And there's Kanga. And we named it Tigger after Tigger, because I loved Tigger. But it wasn't an orange cat. It was a tabby, but it was gray and white and black. But we call him Tigger anyway. Look at all these different little things that get cut out. Here's Owl. And Bunny. I forget the bunny's name. Did it have a name, or was it just Rabbit? Can't remember. Okay, and I think there's a few other things, like this little trio, or not trio, shelf of pots. So cute. And then the honey pot also cuts out. So all of these things cut out with the dies. And so you've got all your little, couple different Poohs: sitting Pooh, honey jar Pooh, walking with Piglet Pooh. And then all these other little things get cut out. I think actually every image on this page gets cut out. Now that I'm looking at it, yes, it does. This entire page gets cut out. So super cute, and I really like that. And then there's so many additional things too. You've got like a tree stump, and you can do, I like how they separated it, because you've got the base of the trunk, like the bark on the outside might be darker, and then the rings are lighter, and they gave a little lip here. What that is so that you can have something to glue to, like you can put it underneath. The honey jar with some honey on top, little signposts, so you can have like, this is like the post, and then you can have little arrows pointing different directions. And then honey, which would make a really nice background pattern. It cuts out the little shapes, so really cute. And then just some leaves to scatter around. It's just a darling little set, and I'll put these back when you're not looking. And I'll move on. But anyway, what I wanted to show you about it, oh, on the other side of this, I think is just a sky. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, and then these do not cut out, so these, you would use them as a background. So you could kind of do an oval punch here, or cut him out with your scissors if you wanted to. You know, you can do things like that. So cute. I love them so much. On the back of this is a really cute gingham, probably that might be a new color that we have called Barely Blush. Or maybe it's Petal Pink, I'm not sure. But this one, I liked these. Okay, so you get 2 of these. I wish you got even more, because you can take these really cute background scenes and then cut out these little characters, so you can have like this little tree background here. You can have Pooh and Piglet kind of like walking through the tree, or maybe Owl is standing outside of, oh, here's Owl here, but maybe you could put Eeyore outside of there, or maybe you can add Piglet to this scene, or maybe he's, you know, down at the bottom. Here's a little scene of them eating at the table. So cute. Anyway, they're just adorable little backgrounds, and so you could, you know, put that down and then add your little characters, and it's just so cute. And then same with these. Right, here's another background. It's just little creatures, and I bet I won't see anybody use this on a card, because these are just so amazing that you're gonna never see the back of this one. You're gonna see the front of that one. And then these, okay, so these are so cute, and the same idea. You can cut them out and use them, and then put another little Piglet right there or something. And on the back of here, you've got just a pattern, which I bet we'll never see, because these are so great. So anyway, this was the paper, which I love, and I added a second pack because I know I'm going to use it. And like I showed you, there's those dies that cut out the paper, but then there's also a stamp set. So if you ever run out of your paper, or maybe you like to color like I do, you can have the stamp set as well. I like these little, okay, so like you've got Piglet blowing a dandelion, and then you've got the little extra dandelions you can have kind of trailing off, or you can add some bees to the honey pot. So super cute. It's on my desk. And then this is what stopped me in my tracks. I was looking for a label die, and here it is. And I wanted to see if the labels that came in this set worked with what I was doing. And when I saw this before, I hadn't taken it out of the package. I just saw it and I knew there were labels, and so in my brain I knew there was labels, but I didn't look at it in person. And the words are really cute, super adorable, and they're all kind of, you know, they don't have to be Winnie the Pooh. They don't say anything about Winnie the Pooh or any of the characters, but they're like things that Winnie the Pooh would have said, like, oh bother. You know, these types of sentiments that are great for your friends. Old friends are the best friends, things like that. So I loved this, and I bought this with the dies that come with it, and I saw this picture of the dies, but until I opened it, it just didn't strike me as, I mean, I knew it was dies. I knew there were labels, but look at this. This is so pretty. I just love them so much. I had to stop and do this video. So you've got dies that cut out these really cute shapes, but look at how many there are in here. It just, I mean, I saw how many, but until I saw them and the detail, I just didn't appreciate them until I really opened them. I think I'm going to use this at Stamp Camp. It's kind of the smallest one, but I'm going to use these a ton. Look at how cute they are. And they cut out these. So you can cut out these little labels here with just the dies. And they've got the little bumps right where they need to be. So it's so cute, and they're just amazing. And I love acorns and oak leaves a lot. And so here you've got acorns and oak leaves. And I saw it. It was so crazy. I saw it, I liked it. I knew I would like it, but I love it so much. So I can imagine these are not going to go for, these are going to sell out, I think, over and over again. They're going to go out of stock, back in stock, out of stock, back in stock. They go available on May 5th. Super pretty, super amazing. And you're going to love them. So come back May 5th. Take a look at this. I will put a link in the video, but it's not going to work until May 5th. Sorry. But on May 5th, you can link it, and you'll be able to find these products. And do come back and look at them, because I really like them. I really think they're going to sell nicely. Right now on the clearance rack, those little tiny bees are still available. You know, those little bee trinkets. They're on clearance right now. I'm happy that I grabbed another pack of them last time when I was putting in an order. I love looking at the clearance rack. If you don't look at the clearance rack, you should look at the clearance rack. But anyway, imagine the little honey pots with those tiny little bee trinkets. So cute. And anyway, take a look at this. These are amazing. These are amazing. It's all amazing. The paper, everything. So you're going to want to look at that. There's a whole bunch coming out May 5th. Seriously, so many good things that you're gonna be amazed, but I really didn't want you to miss out on this die right here. It's so cute. I just think these labels are so nice, and you can nest them. See how the bumps and things work together, and you can label different color cardstock behind to get a nice like a matte, and then your sentiment piece, and they're just beautiful. Just beautiful. We're not using them at Stamp Camp Saturday, everyone. Sorry to say, I don't have time to redesign my cards for this, but we'll probably use one of these labels. But I will use these at upcoming stamp camps many times because they're so cute. And we'll have some at Card Buffet too. I'll probably do some of the characters at Card Buffet. We like that at Card Buffet. Okay, thanks for watching. Just wanted to pop in and show you real quick.